Alright, this is going to be a super quick video on how I fixed this detergent drawer on my LG washing machine. You can see that it just pulls straight out, and I was going to just buy a new drawer, but I saw these things at about $140, $150 Canadian each, so I didn't really want to do that. And it turns out there's just a simple thing that's broken. You can see that it doesn't catch, so when it goes into a spin cycle, it vibrates out. And then I was finding as well that I would get water down the front of this thing and then onto the floors. Now, you should have to push down a retaining clip at the back of the drawer to remove it from the machine. This does not do that. It comes straight out, and I thought it was initially these little side pieces with the 3 pieces of plastic. You can see that 2 of them are broken, but it turns out is actually this sort of press release thing. And I don't know if someone yanked on it too hard in my house and it caused it to push down. To get it to pop back up, you can just push in between the detergent trays, and I'll give you a better view of this. So reach your hand under and push that little lever up and over those 3 pieces of plastic, and then let it sit back down on top of that. So you can see when you push down the little detent there, it sort of pulls everything in, and then the plastic allows it to spring back into position. So now you can see it doesn't pull all the way out by itself. And then it's a little bit tough to see, but it actually clips itself into place when you push it all the way in. So now when it goes into spin mode, it won't vibrate itself out. So anyway, I'm assuming one of my kids pulled this thing out too hard and it pushed that piece of plastic down. Again, these things are super expensive and difficult to find, so you don't want to have to buy a new one. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.